Sorry guys, this video is not going to be a big deal. Dad jokes in the garden. Yes. So as you can guess, of course, we are going to be talking about dill, which is one of everyone's favorite big time herbs for the simple fact of we all like it as pickles. I'm Pickle Rick. So the plan is to take these and we're going to put them in and sow 2 in each cell, hopefully. Yeah, 3 ain't going to hurt nothing. So dill, also known as dillweed, grows in zones 3 through 11 and is a cold hardy plant, but not a heat hardy plant. So zone 6, we all know what that means. Come the summer, she gonna be dead. Now, I'm not doing the normal of filling these, all the way up to the top. I'm just barely putting any dust on top of them because they need to have light to germinate. You're going to want your soil temperatures between 60 and 70, so of course you want to put them on the heat mat. And you should see germination about 10 to 14 days. Soil preferences, of course, are well-drained but moist soil. And you're going to want to start these about 4 to 6 weeks before you're ready for transplant or last frost. And you want to be gentle with them because they have a taproot, so they don't transplant well. So you want to transplant them when they're about an inch, inch and a half tall. Of course, your uses for dill is culinary, but you can also use it apparently for adding it to your herbal teas because it actually has a calming effect on your body and on your brain, and it slows down or stops the production of cortisol. So dill is believed to initially be found in North Africa, the Arabian Peninsula, Iran, Turkey, and the Mediterranean. But we're going to plant them in zone 6B next to our cucumbers because, obviously dill is the most known for its dill pickles. So why wouldn't you grow them together? Plus, dill actually repels a lot of pests that would get up in your cucumbers business. If you guys enjoyed the video and would like to see the update here in a couple of weeks of all the seeds starting to germinate and starting to get transplanted into their other cups, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and we'll see you guys in about 14 days.